Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe and you need to remove or replace front crankshaft seals. Stay with us, we will explain guys how to get to it, where it's located and how to remove it. Now we will explain how we can easily remove it in two ways guys. One is with a special tool, one is without the tool, but it will be a long route and you need to remove the timing cover. But actually we'll be taking this route because we'll be putting timing chain, okay, and we'll be making video about timing chain installation as well because it's a higher mileage engine. Now you don't need to remove your engine to do that. We simply have it out because we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So now guys, let's explain, okay, how to get that bolt loose. Most of you guys will try to get it loose and the engine will spin backwards, okay. First, it most likely will not get it loose. Second, it's not very good to spin your engine backwards. But let's explain now guys, okay, let's explain what we usually do. We get a socket that size guys, you get an air compressor and an impact gun. That is the only way, easiest way to take those things out. So we pre-loosen ours guys, okay, with the impact, okay, and at that point it should just come loose. It shouldn't be too tight. So as I said guys, impact and an air compressor, it's one of the easiest ways to take that things out. Otherwise you have really hard time. Another thing that you can do is you might need to remove the engine starter, okay, and get a flywheel holder to actually get it loose. But if you want to do it without any special tools, okay, go ahead and do that. Now don't remove the whole bolt guys. Why? Because we need to remove the bolt, the belt first. So just get it loose, okay, and don't remove it. At that point we need to go ahead, okay, and remove our belt, okay, right here, 14 millimeter guys, okay, and we need to get the ratchet. So we'll pre-loosen it. You go, okay, let's put that thing there so it's not in the way. We're going to go clockwise, counterclockwise. It's going to get the slack out of the belt. I'll pull it out. Now we can pull the belt all the way out. Okay, like that. And now we can get that bolt loose. Don't do it before you remove the belt because you have tension on the pulley and that can, okay, damage things. So that's the bolt. Now you grab that, okay, that crankshaft pulley, and it should be able to come out because it has a key guys. I don't think it's pressed in, so if you grab it with two hands, okay, you can simply pull it out, and that's where even the front crankshaft seal is located, behind that pulley. So once you remove the crankshaft pulley guys, okay, right here you can get to the seal. Now there is a special tool that you can grab it and extract it and install the new one. But unfortunately guys, I loaned mine tool to a friend of mine and never came back. But in the meantime we'll be putting a new timing chain. So we'll be removing the valve the timing cover, and we'll just press it from the back side. And if you want to see what tool to use guys, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from if you need to. But now we'll go ahead, remove the timing cover, and we'll show you how to do that from the back side. So now for the crankshaft seal guys, okay, it has a lip here, so you cannot push it out from the inside with a socket or a fitting. You need to get a screwdriver between the two, okay, kind of like in an angle. Okay, let me just try to video here. Okay, perfect, on the bottom side, and just tap. Okay, you might need to go a little bit on top, and at that point, Just careful not to scratch anything, not to damage the housing, because later you develop a leak, and that's the front crankshaft seal, guys. Okay, came out. Okay, you can see it just like that. That's where we tapped it a little bit, but that's how it comes out. You just get a new one, clean everything really good, lubricate it, get a new one, push it in, okay. Find a socket that size that will fit. Okay, now all you have to do just push it in, sometimes even with fingers. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix a front crankshaft oil leak on Hyundai Santa Fe. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.